morning reception and welcome to your maths lesson. Before we begin, we're going to go through the results of our final thought from yesterday. I asked you to tell me who the tallest dinosaur was out of a Stegosaurus, a T-Rex or a Brachiosaurus. Let's go through the results. So the shortest dinosaur was the Stegosaurus. The dinosaur that was taller than the Stegosaurus but shorter than the tallest dinosaur was the T-Rex, which means that the Brachiosaurus was the tallest dinosaur. Well done if you got that right. If we were to compare these dinosaurs to humans, I think we would just about reach the Stegosaurus's leg or knee. And that's how tall dinosaurs were. Right, let's go through the day. Yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday. Yesterday was the 8th, so today is the 9th. Today is Tuesday, the 9th of February 2021. On our calendar, can you point to where our day is? Here it is, Tuesday the 9th. This week we are measuring, and yesterday we were measuring our height. Today we're going to be measuring and comparing length. But can you tell me what length is? Well, let's find out. We have 3 key words today. The first word is length. Your turn. The second word is long or longer. Your turn. And the third is short or shorter. Your turn. Great. Now when we're measuring length, we are measuring from one side to the other. So I have 2 footprints. Can you tell me which one is bigger or longer? Right, the bottom footprint is longer. The top footprint is shorter. So let's have a look at our concept picture. Now there, I would like you to have a look. We had a look at this picture yesterday. See if you can find things that are long and short. And then I'd like you to talk to your partner and see if you can use the words longer and shorter. Off you go. Right, coming back round now, I'm going to go through the 2 things that I found. You have probably found more. I found the carrots first of all. I can see that the middle carrot is the longest. I can see that the top carrot is the shortest. I also found the sprinklers. It's quite hard to see the water spraying out from them, but we have 2 sprinklers, and this hose pipe here, this sprinkler, is shorter than the bottom one. The bottom one is longer than the top one. Now, just like yesterday, I wanted to do some measuring and comparing. So yesterday I measured how tall Mochi was. Today I'm measuring his footprint. And I found a couple of things around the house that I can use to compare and see which is taller and which is smaller. So the first thing I found was some Lego. And I put some Lego into some bricks and I put it next to Mochi's foot. Which do you think is the longest? Now well done if you're not sure. Because this is really tricky. It's really tricky to compare them because the Lego is kind of at an angle and I can't see them clearly next to each other. So I'm now going to go through a top tip with you. When you are comparing when you are comparing something, you need to put a line underneath it. Can you see that Mochi's footprint is now on the line? Great. Now I'm going to put my Lego on the line. Can you see that's much more clearer to see? I can clearly see that the Lego tower is much longer than Mochi's footprint. Mochi's footprint is smaller, shorter than the Lego tower. Okay, so I'm just going to put that to one side. And then I had another look around the house and I found a bone. Right, I think that Mochi's bone is longer than his footprint. What do you think? Well done if you're shouting at me right now, because no, the bone isn't, because the bone isn't on the line. I have to make sure that the bone is on the line where I can compare them. I can see that the bone is shorter than Mochi's footprint. Mochi's footprint is longer than the bone. So, this is what I would like you to do now. This is your task. Your task is to find 3 things that are longer than your footprint. Your first step, of course, is to draw around your foot. Make sure you wash them first so they're not really smelly. Step 2 is to go on a hunt around your house and find things that you think are longer than your footprint. And step 3 is to put them side by side and compare. Remember that line that we drew is really important. Put both of the objects on there so you can see. If it's longer, then you're going to keep it. But if your object is shorter than your footprint, put it back. And don't forget to put all of your answers on Discord. Have fun with your challenge today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!